After the update of Cordova Android 10, there are few changes here which is listed in the Android Cordova Android 10 release note. These are the changes for the preferences like setting the host name for Android secure file module enable. This is a new preference, and one bigger change is that Android app bundle support. Like by default now the APK will not be generated by default after the upgrade of Cordova Android. So whenever you are going to build the application for your release, most of the time you was expecting to get one APK file. No more after the update of the Android. So it will by this will generate by default AAB file type, that is Android application bundle. It will be generated, or Android app bundle will be generated. You can call it as Android app bundle. So you cannot install this Android app bundle directly on your device. So here is a method. I was just trying to make a build. So this command will generate a build for release, and switching the environment to production of Angular. So this is a hybrid framework I'm using for Ionic to generate to build one application. Here you can see. So these are the default configuration. This is a starter app. I am demonstrating here how you can test your AAB file before uploading to Play Store. So you can have a look on your uploading file. So it started Cordova build and write process, and it's taking the directory name and all. And here is the daemon started to build the application. Once it finished, it generated it just a small application. So have not taken that much of this app is having no plugins installed, like very less plugins, one or two splash screen or the status bar plugin are here. So it's not taken much time. You can see there are only four five plugins are there. So after this, it given me a app release EAB file, like this is Android app bundle. So I cannot install this on my phone. So what should I do now? I'm going to open this AAB file or the complete Android project. This one, the complete this file Android folder inside Android Studio. I'm going to open it. Get to project and my app, and here I find like profile Android. So I will open this full. Here it's loading the app. Once it load the full application, it will give here like add configuration. It will turn to app, like this app is now ready to run on the simulator or maybe on actual device if I connect one. So you can see here now my Android folder is loaded. You see here the Android folder is loaded completely, and it's arranged its content inside here like Minfish file, Java files, asset. This is your asset for hybrid application. When you build for Android, one asset folder will be there, which consists your JS codes and the index file. These are with Cordova plugin JS or with Cordova, because this all will run in a browser view, like web view. It will run. So this is one, and these are the resource folders like drawable and the XML files and all. And these are the library which I'm going to use. So my app is loaded. Once opening the Android folder, it will load the full application. Now it build like AAB file, so I cannot install that AAB file on Android phones and not even run on simulator and all. So what I'm going to do, so you can see my phone is listed here. I just connected my phone here, so it's listed here. If I click on this, so you can see here the application is running on my phone. It's in the status like run. I can see here the logcat and all, log profiler. You can see here the what is it's happening after running the app. Open here now, and now if I show you like how this app is looking. This is only test app. Chrome inspect. I will inspect the app. It's open, so you can see the inspection window of this app. So this is the app. It's looking. This is running on the phone. So as if this is a sample app. Whatever it's running is a simple app. This is how I can run my AAB file before publishing to the App Play Store. I can run this AAB file on my phone. Suppose you want to share this, share your current build APK with other people. So you can do one thing here. You can do one thing here. You can go in build, and can you see like it's app build bundle and APKs. You can see this inside the build. There is two submenu here, build APK and build bundle. This is what the default Ionic is generating, or maybe uh, the Erect build also generate the same if they have upgraded this Cordova to 10, and the Cordova is taking by default AAB file generation. And I think this is a bug inside the um, Android Cordova Android 10 version, because when I am passing this flag package type equal to APK, to get APK format, it's ignoring this flag, and it's generate the same AAB file. So this may be a bug. So once I test the application on my phone, I will definitely go with the build bundle, and I will build the APK from here. Yeah, it's running here, running build in background task. If you see here, two tasks are running. If you see this, my build is generated, so I can locate it in the folder saying like app.debug is built. This is for the debug purpose, but when I am going to build for the products, generate signed APK, here is one button, generate signed APK or build bundle. It will ask for you want to have Android app bundle or APK. So I will ask for APK because I need to test before I deploy it. I need to test it. So you can create new key like it's asking for the directory. So store file I will save like this, and I will click OK. I would say generate the file. Yeah. So once it generate it, or if you are having the existing key, you can choose from here, and you can supply the key store password or alias name you have signed, or this the key password again. And next we'll ask for debug or release. So I will ask for release, and I will finish. It will run the build, and it will generate the signed APK. This is how you can get the APK or a signed APK after the upgrade of Android Cordova 10. 10 is generating by default AAV file, and you cannot install that AAV file on your phone before you deploy Play Store. Thanks for watching. Subscribe the channel and press the bell icon for latest updates.